Santa usually uses his 8 reindeer to fly around, but today he used a helicopter at Ben's Old Mill District. Families gathered to watch jolly old St. Nicholas' epic entrance and then lined up to grab a photo with him. For some, this event marked the official start to the Christmas season.
The reason we do this, right, is to make sure that kids can have a little bit of that magic and tradition for Christmas. I think everybody in the entire community, right, is trying to get back to how can we still have these special moments during a little bit of, times are still a little crazy, but I think, people appreciate this, right?
Kids from all over Central Oregon were excited to give Santa their wish lists. If you and your family want to visit Santa, he will be at the Old Mill District Fridays and Saturdays from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m.